Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the blade on the silverline box cutter. Alright, so you just get any old Stanley knife blade, we call it Stanley knife, drop it in like that, clip done, just clip in like that, just put that in and do it. So that in, up, down, so I'll show you again, easy, take that out, drop that in, put that in and secure it. Alright, and to fold it away in your pocket, it's a case of put that in and it's super safe. Dead easy. Right, so I'm going to show you if it's any good on some of these. Yeah, I mean, basically, we've been getting a lot of heaters, well, so standard solitaire. It's been hanging around the east for a while, so it's storage. Again, handy little tool this as well. What I like about it is that the blade is away, but I'm not keen on, to be honest, I'm not overly keen on silverline, it's the Chinese, you know what's going on there, but it's for demonstration purposes. There you go guys, it's a really handy tool, used for most things. When you finish with it, just lock the handle and you're good to go. Thanks for watching guys, have a good one, see you later.